Hi YouTube, today we're going to Airsoft Revolution 15, which is an indoor CQB airsoft field, and they also have a pro shop.
Hey guys, it's Don from Air 15. I'm bringing you guys a tour here at the Airsoft Revolution 15 store. So here at Air 15, we want to be your one-stop shop for all of Airsoft. So here we have our full license pro shop. So we have your guns, your ammo, your batteries, your grenades, masks, everything you need to get started for Airsoft, we definitely got. But we are full license dealers for like EVIC, Jag Precision, Elite Force. We just got on with Crytek, New Crawl, some of these big companies. We actually have a lot of products for. So coming over here is our briefing room / training center. We go over the safety rules, regulations, and policies and things you have here.
This is our playing field.
Giving the tour of the arena itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
As you can see, we have a lot of movable structures like this. Every now and then, periodically, usually like once or twice a month, we'll actually change like the position of these walls. Each game typically lasts around 10 to 15 minutes, so you get a good amount of gameplay for each round that you come in. And we keep the intermissions in between rounds very short, so you're not waiting 30, 45 minutes to come in and play 10, 15 minutes.